Side, and today I'm gonna do a purple sun interview. You probably saw my pink sun interview, so I'm just gonna be playing with it and then showing you the slime. So it has little beads in it, so if you see little marks, don't mind that. So okay. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust the camera right here. Set this back more. So this is how the slime looks, and I might do a slime smoothie with the pink slime, and if it's wiggling, I'm sorry. It's kind of wiggly. The table's kind of wiggly, so my camera. You thought I was talking to myself? It's very fluffy, you guys. Very fluffy, and it's kind of sticky. So this time it was like, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of bad, and I like added like a half a bottle of lotion, and now it's like I had it for like a week now, and it's very good. Woo. And this is like very, bless you. And it's kind of sticky, guys. It's like, I like my slime sticky because I feel like if it's sticky, oh, that was horrible. I feel like if it's sticky, it lasts longer. So that's why I like my thing sticky. And my brother's watching TV, so if you hear the TV, don't mind that, please. It's right here. Yes, it is. It's some in this drawer and some in the in this jar. I counted them yesterday. And it's kind of sticky. And my pink slime, if you see the other pink slime interview, that was sticky too. So put everything in the container. Yeah. So let me put the camera back. So I hope you like this slime interview. Go check out my pink slime interview, and yeah, comment, subscribe, and like, subscribe to my channel, and check out Clarity Blackburn. Her YouTube channel will be in the description down below. So yeah, peace out.